Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country and island in the Caribbean, and we'll be looking at how to say more country names too many people mispronounce, including from Spanish. So, talking about Spanish, that's of course the language there. So locally, the name of the country is said as Cuba, but it is true that the correct, you could argue, the pronunciation in English is generally Cuba, but I'm not sure why that is really, because in Spanish, it's Cuba. So Cuba is correct, but in English it's referred to as Cuba, just like France is not said France in France, or Italy is not said Italy in Italy. Cuba or Cuba, it's up to you. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.